Now we're going to get into the segment for the machine calibration for the LOKLiK iCraft. Make sure you select the right one because this is their second edition of the newest model of machine that at the time of the recording is not out yet. But if you're watching this video, you're interested in getting it or you just got one. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all. Click machine calibration right there. We're doing the print and cut. We did already get our paper. I printed 2 of them. Hopefully I only need 1 because I had to print them ahead of time because I don't have a printer where I'm at. So I had to do it in advance. So we got this. We're gonna go ahead and click next because I've already printed it. We're gonna go ahead and get our sticky joint and we're going to align it right as it shows on the screen in the upper left hand corner to the paper. Don't try to align the arrows or the registration marks. Align the upper left of the paper itself and put it on your mat. Now hopefully this thing registers the first time because when I was doing a different little project, I had to load it in there about 3 times before it actually worked. But it did work though. I guess that's the good news. It did work. Just not on the first try when I did something else with this. Okay, so we got this. I got my regular blade in there because as a side note, when I cut through this, I had to use my deep cut blade and I don't think the deep cut blade comes with the machine. So if you guys are interested in this and you want to cut thicker materials, definitely go ahead and get the deep cut blade right here. It's got a really large blade on that thing. Deep as they call it, right? So we got let's load this into the machine. Stick the chart to the cutting mat and load it into the machine. Loaded, tap cut to calibrate. Let's go ahead and click cut, and I think behind this is clear as well. So let's let it do its thing. All right, we got a notification. Don't know what the, I gotta check this in a second. All right, looks like we're all clear, boys. We're all clear. Y'all see it. I don't need to get a close up, right? Processing. Okay, it's working. 7% already. I guess I will let y'all get a close up. Y'all see it, man. It's just being very repetitive, just cutting wherever it thinks it wants to cut. And you can see a majority of them are off. But then I'm gonna go into the software and tell the machine which one was the best, which one was spot on to the black line. And then we'll be able to get it all locked in. With everything complete, it tells us fill out the values. So let's go ahead and unload it and take a look. So we're going to start with A. Which one got the best in section A? It's looking like it's number 4 for me. Nah, it's number 3. Number 3 is dead center. Bet. Y'all really probably ain't gonna be able to see this. If y'all can see this, man, this camera is amazing. Y'all see how most of these marks are like either above the line or below? Number 4 is like right on the bottom of that line. As you can see right there, it looks like it goes at the bottom, but number 3 looks like it's dead center. So number 3 is dead center. So what I need to do is just look up real close and put these numbers in here. So for A, we have 3. For B, which is the one all the way at the bottom. By the way, if you guys do this like me, the rest of the stuff, you can see A, this is B, but this is on letter size paper, so it kind of cuts it off. So the bottom one is B for those of you who might have an issue. And somebody did comment and already said they had an issue because they didn't know. When you're getting ready to print this thing, by the way, by default in their software, it looks like it wants to print it on a whole different size paper, I guess the paper that they made this for, which is like a legal size or something like that. So you need to make sure you go into your settings and click letter size. Letter size is technically 8.5 by 11, which is standard paper in a printer. So that way you can make sure you get the correct settings for your calibration. So we have 3. I thought it was about to time out on me. I'll say, hold up. Okay, B is 3. So now let's go to C. So C is 2 for me. And then we have, oh, okay. I was like, what? Okay, I'm confused. I'm like, this ain't in alphabetical A all the way to the bottom. C, okay. Now we're going this way. D, we have, which one is the best? Looks like number 4. D is number 4. All right, so we got 3324 is the settings that I need. Even if you have the exact same machine as me, your settings might be a little bit different. It might be based on the printer that you're printing your stuff from, or maybe this machine could just be on and off and you just need to calibrate it, recalibrate it if necessary. So we got, again, 3324. I'm gonna go ahead and click calibrate. It says your calibration has been completed. Return to your canvas and start making some amazing things. Hey, we've already made some amazing things, in my opinion. What y'all think, man? Ah, man, I'm kind of sad that I got to give this jacket up. I mean, the customer did pay for it. They did pay for the jacket already. But I think I want to have a photo shoot with it. But I don't think this is my size, y'all. I can't rock it. But it looked nice, though. All right, so we did that. I don't think I'll do this again in a different video, the project I showed you guys, now that we have the calibration set properly. However, I do not have a printer to reprint that. Matter of fact, didn't I print those twice also? I think I did, bro. I think I did. And it was printed from that same printer. So if I still have an extra sheet, I got some stiffened cardstock here too. So I think it's something real quick to make with that. And yep. All right. Oh no, it's not gonna work. I forgot. So I do have an extra thing of it. However, they say once you print it, you cannot move it on the canvas, and it's not even on my canvas anymore. So that's not gonna work. I really wish that there was a setting to save exactly where you place things on the canvas. However, it doesn't look like that's an option yet. But maybe in a future update, if LOKLiK is watching these videos, that's what I would like. Something to where it's the placement and everything stays the exact same. Right now, the only thing that stays the same is the object. So if you make a design, the pieces of that design will stay together and stay separated from one another. But as far as placing those objects on the mat, it moves around every time. If you turn the machine off, or even if you don't turn it off, if you don't touch the machine after a while, the machine could stay on, but then the Bluetooth connection will just disconnect. And then when you reconnect it, it automatically like places the design back randomly like on the mat again. So you got to kind of be like on the fly in order for this to work properly. So I'll just click done on the calibration for now. And I think that's all I needed to do in today's video. Yeah, I think that is correct. That's all I needed to do. So with that being said, hopefully I helped you guys out with something, whether it be an idea to go ahead and get you one of these. Again, the link for this machine is going to be in the description box below. And again, at the time of the recording of this video, there is an additional discount. There's already a standard discount right now if you buy it while it's on pre-order. Then there's an additional discount if you click the link in the description and read the code. You'll be able to do stuff like this. Pre-cut all your designs for embroidery and make cool stuff and make good money from customers. Catch you guys in a future video. Thumbs up. Peace.